Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a ghost. Let's start off by drawing a line that curves down and bends slightly to the left. At the bottom, make it look drippy with one bend here, a deep one here, and then a shallow one here. Then, go all the way back to the top like so. Next, draw the face with two dots for the eyes and a taller dot for the mouth. Lastly, draw an arm with a slanted C-shaped curve here and one more for the other arm. And now you've got a ghost.